Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English class. So, today let's continue the story, My Dear Lamp. So, we started a story in the last class. Do you remember? Okay, I'll revise it once again. This is the story of an old woman. She was very rich at the same time. She was intelligent also. And thieves and robbers used to steal her money. As she was very rich, thieves always try to steal her money. And this old woman, she lived in her small cottage in the hills. It's a small house in the hills, and she was very rich, and so the thieves were trying to steal the woman's money. Okay, then one day what happened, this old woman went out to wash her vessels, utensils. Okay, at that time, what happened? A thief entered her house. And after washing the utensils, the old woman came back, and she realized something was wrong in her house. And she looked around and saw a thief, his feet behind the curtain. So she understood that a thief entered her house. And she thought for a moment, and she knew that she was very old. She couldn't fight with this thief because she is very old. And if she shout, this thief will kill her. So, as it is already said, she is very intelligent. She thought of a plan. And what did she do? She sat down and started spinning cotton. So she thought of a plan, and she sat there and started her spinning. And while spinning, so it is already said that there was a lamp near that spinning wheel, burning lamp near the spinning wheel. And she started talking to that lamp. And she called her, "My dear lamp." So she addressed the lamp as "my dear lamp." And after some time, she paused. Pause means she stopped talking for a moment. And then again she started calling this lamp, "My dear lamp." Then she asked, "Why are you not talking today? Is something wrong? Has a thief entered my house?" So this is her plan. So according to that, she started talking to the lamp, as though this lamp also talked to her. So she asked, "Why this lamp is not talking today? Is there anything wrong? Is there a thief here?" And this thief was hiding behind a curtain, and he heard all these things. And he was so surprised, and he realized, he thought that this lamp must be special. It is a magic lamp. It has some special abilities. It talks to the old woman. And because I am in the house, so he believed that today this lamp is not talking because of the presence of a stranger in the house. I am here in the house today. It is not talking. ഞാനിവിടെ ഉള്ളത് കൊണ്ടാണ് സംസാരിക്കാത്തത്. If it keeps quiet like this, the old woman would come to know that I am here. So this foolish what thief believed that if the lamp doesn't talk, this old woman will realize the presence of my presence here. Okay, so he also so the thief thought of a trick. What was his trick? A trick. When the old woman called the lamp again, the thief pretended to be the lamp and said yes. So that was the thief's plan. He decided to act that he is the lamp. When the old woman is talking to the lamp, he decided to give reply. അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ്, ലാമ്പ് സംസാരിക്കുകയില്ലേ, അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ആരും ഇല്ല എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കും. സോ ദ തീഫ് തോട്ട് ഓഫ് എ ട്രിക്ക്. വെൻ ദ ഓൾഡ് വുമൺ കോൾ ദ ലാമ്പ് അഗെയിൻ, what the thief replied yes. So when the old woman heard this sound, she was sure about the thief in her presence. She understood that there was a thief in her house. But she kept quiet. She didn't make noise. If she shouted, this thief would kill her. So she kept quiet. She continued talking to the lamp. So I will tell you a story today. So the old woman told the lamp that she was going to tell a story that happened when I was young and your grandfather was alive. So she told the lamp that I will tell you a story, and the story happened when I was a young lady, and your grandfather, means her husband, was alive. One day, what happened? Your grandfather got fish. From somewhere, he got some fish. I prepared a delicious meal. So this young lady, what did she do with that fish? She prepared a tasty meal. But the gravy was very spicy. But a problem happened when she prepared that delicious meal. The gravy was spicy. Spicy means food that has lot of spices. ഭയങ്കര എരിവൊക്കെ കൂടിപ്പോയി. Okay, so her husband, that is Lamb's grandfather, got angry at me. I got scared and started shouting. So when the grandfather was very angry, this lady, young lady, means this grandmother, was scared, afraid, and she started shouting, "Help, save me, help." So that is how she shouted. Actually, she is narrating a story, but thereby she is seeking the help of her neighbor. സോ ഷീ ഷൗട്ടഡ്. കഥ പറയുകയാണെന്ന് തോന്നിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ ഉറക്കെ വിളിച്ചതാണ്, ഹെൽപ്പ് മീ, ഹെൽപ്പ്, സേവ് മീ, ഹെൽപ്പ്. So you know what happened? When she started shouting like this, the neighbors understood what there was something wrong, and they came to help her and caught the thief. So the thief believed that this old lady what is narrating a story. But the neighbors heard that shouting, and they came to save this lady, and they caught the thief. So as soon as the old woman started shouting, the neighbors came to her house and caught the thief, and thereby she saved herself from the thief. Okay, so we can see the intelligence of this lady helped to catch the thief. So in that story, that is the lion and the rabbit, we saw how the clever rabbit helped all the animals from a fearful lion. So here in this story, an old lady, she saved herself from a fearful thief with her intelligence, using her intelligence. Okay. Now, from this, you have to write 3 meanings. Cottage, small house. Pause means to stop. Spicy means food that has a lot of spices. Okay. Then exercises, page number 96. The old woman was rich and intelligent. Okay, the thief hid behind the curtain. When the old woman saw the thief, she thought of an idea. Then the old woman saved her money and her life by using her intelligence. Okay. Question answers അവസാനമുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. Grammar. I am in the house. Okay. I am in the house, but where shall I hide? Shall I climb on the roof or hide under the bed? Shall I hide between the cupboards or crouch near the sofa? So I think I will hide behind the curtain. So in the last grammar class, we studied position words. That is position words placed before the noun. Kanda on, under, in, behind, near, etc. All these are position words or prepositions. In, on, under, between, behind, etc. All these are called position words. Okay, the thief was in the house, in position word. The cup is on the table, on position word. Then the cat is under the chair, under possession word, then behind possession word, between possession word. Okay, one more. The small lamp was burning near possession word. Okay, so look at the pictures near and fill in the blanks with in, on, under, behind, between or near. Okay, I have written the answer here. The birds are near the window. Possession words എഴുതാനാണ്. The fruits are in the bags. Okay. Then the table is dash the chairs. Table കണ്ടോ, രണ്ട് ടേബിൾ, രണ്ട് ചെയറിൻ്റെ മിഡിലാണ്. Between the chairs. The cat is under the tree. The girl is sitting on the sofa. The children are behind the log. Okay, behind the log. Then vocabulary, fill in the blanks with correct word pairs. Use the pairs given in the box. So here we can see we form such pairs by putting verbs and prepositions. Position wordsum verbും കൂടെ ചേർത്ത് എഴുതുന്നതിനെയാണ് what phrasal verb നിങ്ങളിപ്പോൾ പഠിക്കണം. Grow up. Look at here, grow is a verb, up is a position word. Grow up. Break down, verb, down position word. Call up, verb, up position words. ഇങ്ങനെ verbും position വേർഡുമായിട്ടും ചേർത്ത് നമുക്ക് വേറൊരു വേർഡ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാനായിട്ട് പറ്റും. Such pairs. Okay, fill in the blanks with correct word pairs. Use the pairs given in the brackets. Okay, I am dash my new job. I am looking for my new job. Dash your shoes before you go out. Looking for means search. I am in search of. Put on means wear. I usually get up means awake. Then the plane is about to take off. Take off means start. I look after my pet. Look after means what? Looking after. നന്നായിട്ട് നോക്കുക, looking after. Okay, my pet with care. എഴുതുക, ടെക്സ്റ്റിൽ മാർക്ക് ഇറ്റ് ഇൻ യുവർ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക്. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ punctuation is given there. Punctuation, teacher question. Page number 100, punctuation. Use full stop, apostrophe, question mark or exclamation mark in the sentence. When are your friends coming over? So rewrite all these sentences, okay, using correct punctuation mark idana. First one is a question, so put question mark here. Second one, oh no, I forgot my books, exclamation mark. Then who is your class teacher now? Question mark. Ouch, my toe has really hurt, exclamation mark. Exclamation mark means this is exclamation mark. Okay, then this is my sister's book, full stop. Put correct punctuation. Page number 100. Okay, now question answers ഇവിടെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. What was the idea that came to the old woman's mind? Talking to her lamp to fool the thief. അതാണ് വുമൻ്റെ പ്ലാൻ. എന്താണ്? ടോക്കിംഗ് ടു ഹർ lamb to fool the thief. thiefനെ പറ്റിക്കാൻ. Why did the thief think that the lamp was special? Because the old woman started talking to the lamp. Then what did the old woman do after eating food? The old woman would spin at her wheel. Then how did the neighbors came to know that the old woman was in trouble? When they heard her shouting for help. Okay, so write all these question answers in your English notebook. Meanings, question answers in your notebook. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.